welcome back to my channel. I'm Brianna Nakai, back again with another video. Today we're going to be unboxing my new camera. If you watched my previous videos, you probably seen or heard many times where I made references to me purchasing a camera and waiting for it to arrive. Well, the day finally came. My camera has finally arrived, and today I'm going to be unboxing my camera with you all. So I got the camera. The box is pretty small, so I'm going to go ahead and start unboxing it. I purchased my camera from B&H Photo Company. I think that's the title or the name of it. I'm not entirely sure, but I think that company is based out of New York City. I ordered it through a bundle deal where I got the camera, I got a camera bag, and a memory card. Unfortunately, the accessories did not come with the camera, even though it was purchased as a bundle. It makes absolutely no sense. I don't understand that, but hey, I'm not mad at it. But either way, I ordered a bundle deal and only the camera came. So let's go ahead and get to it. So I know you guys have been wanting to see what type of camera I ordered for my channel, right? Well, I'm not going to buy an entry-level camera just to turn around and have to buy a better quality camera later on in the end. I like to measure twice and cut once. That's just ridiculous. I'm not going to spend my money twice when I have the money to afford being able to buy a better quality camera. And you know, that's what I recommend. If you want to start a YouTube channel and you don't want to use your phone, go ahead and buy what you want. If you're not neglecting your responsibilities, neglecting your bills, or just being completely careless with your money, because at the end of the day, what these experienced YouTubers aren't really expressing when they're telling you, hey, start small,
is that when you have better quality videos, your quality of the videos helps you rank higher when YouTube recommends your videos for viewing.
So that's one tip for you. So the camera I purchased, can I get a drum roll? It is the SONY A6600. This is my first camera that I have purchased
ever. Yeah.
I had a Canon camera back when I was like a teenager, but that was the camera that my mom purchased, and that was kind of like a rinky-dink point-and-shoot type of camera. We're not getting into that. And the reason why I purchased this camera, because this camera has great autofocus. It has the flip-up screen. I can buy different lenses for the camera. The camera records in 4K, unlimited 4K at that. This camera offers so many great qualities, and when buying a camera, I was really stuck in between Canon 80D, Canon G7X, Canon M50, Sony A5100, and also the new ZV-1 by Sony. I was going through the ringer, guys, when finding a camera that I wanted to purchase for YouTube, because like I said, I don't mind investing a little bit more in my purchases because I know that I'm going to keep these purchases for a while. With me ordering this camera from B&H, I had to, they actually had to put the batteries inside of the camera because they were shipping it to Japan. Why? I'm not entirely sure. So this is the manual. I'm just gonna put this to the side for right now. All right, so if you're anything like me, you've probably watched numerous amount of unboxing videos on this camera, like numerous amounts. So with that being said, before I bought my camera, I already ordered batteries, extra batteries, and these batteries are fully charged because I hate watching unboxing videos and then every time they're just kind of like,
oh, let me put the battery in. Oh, the camera's about to die.
And it's just kind of like, haven't you watched enough unboxing videos to know that you should have prepared and purchased another battery? Did you not know this is? Because we ain't gonna get into that. No shade, no shade. So first thing is first, this is the camera strap for the camera. And it says Sony. Ooh, ooh, Sony. Ooh, ooh, Next we have the wall outlet USB thing. We have the USB charging cable for the camera, because the camera, you basically charge the camera by just connecting it with the battery inside. And this is just the eye cover for the, what is it called? Viewfinder? Yeah, this is the eye cover for the viewfinder. So that's all that is. I'm gonna actually put this back in the baggie, because it's so tiny, I don't want to lose it. And this is its kit lens. So this is the lens that my camera came with. This is a nice lens. Oh, it's a telescopic lens. Okay. I like how it sounds as you twist it and it comes out. Sounds good. So this lens is an 18 millimeter by 135 millimeter, or 18 to 135 millimeter lens. And it has built-in stabilization, OSS. I don't know what that acronym actually stands for, but I know it means that it has built-in stabilization in the lens. So that's good. And then, you know, obviously it has the lens cap on there. So that's pretty dope. Pretty dope. So I'm just gonna stick this right there. And this is the lens hood. Y'all, I don't even understand how I know all of this. I don't understand how I know this.
I do. I've been watching the videos.
Look at my lens hood. Ooh. Okay. And last but not least, y'all, let's go ahead and move this box out the way too. What we've all been waiting for, mainly me, because y'all didn't know that I was getting this. The SONY A6600, y'all. Yes. Yes.
That's what I'm talking about. Damn.
Okay, I'm so excited. I finally got my camera. My camera finally came. Whew. It's so pretty. This camera, like, is pretty heavy. Like, it's pretty heavy. I've held and kind of played with the Canon M50 before, and the Canon M50 is much lighter than this. I feel like it's a little bit lighter than this, so I'm definitely not complaining about that. This looks really sturdy. It looks like it's for tough. Okay, it's for tough. Sony tough. Let me see if I can turn it on. Okay. Okay, so let me show y'all what I'm working with. So right now it's off, and I switched it to the on button. And can you see it? Which is why I'm so glad that I have a charged battery. I mean, at least the Canons come kind of charged, at least somewhat charged, but this didn't have a charge at all. Wow, that's something. Well, I'm glad that I had a battery. Oh, as soon as I put the battery in, it cut it right on. So yeah, that battery works, y'all. Let's go ahead and work this a little bit. It seems like Sony is giving me some type of information, imaging edge or something like that. So I'm gonna look into that, because I know they offer different apps that you can use to connect to like your computer and stuff to be able to see things, kind of like how Canon has that Canon EOS whatever tool that you can use to connect to your computer and things like that. You can make changes while you're recording. I guess Sony offers the same thing, their version of it. So, like I said, my accessories did not come, but I went ahead and I pre-ordered a memory card, a SD card. It's 128 gigs. I want to say the memory card that it came with, or yeah, that is bundled with, is a Extreme Pro, and this is a PNY. And I think the PNY is still good. Okay, here's the SD card. Let's go ahead and put this puppy in. I don't know if it goes like frontward or backwards. Let's go like this. Okay, it's not sliding in like that, so maybe it goes like this. Okay, there's a red light that flashed when I put it in. Preparing image database file. Y'all, I got an SD card in there. Okay, let's go ahead and put this lens on. Let me move this battery out the way. Put that in a good spot. I might put that on my battery charger. Let's go ahead and put this lens on. Let the circles line up. Where is the circle? So you guys could not see the fear in my eyes, but I legit almost dropped this camera. This camera was so expensive. If I had dropped this camera, I was gonna cry. And y'all was gonna see it, because I was definitely gonna leave it in the edit. Okay, and it clicked. But I didn't. Yo, this thing looks so jokey. Like, it looks so jokey. But this setup is not too bad. So let's go ahead and take the lens cap off. Oh wow, this is really clear. Ooh, let me see if I can maybe record something. Let me show you guys how the camera quality looks. So hey guys, I'm recording with my new camera right now. I gotta get used to it. It's pretty heavy. I'm holding my camera in my hands right now, so that is something. I'm just kind of like showing you guys the quality of it, showing you guys how you like it, or showing you guys how I like it, I guess I should say. This is the Sony A6600 that I'm recording with. I just got it. This is my unboxing video, and I'm using the 18 millimeters to 135 millimeter lens, f-stop, what is it, 3.5 I think. Don't quote me on that, I might be giving y'all the wrong specs, but this camera has built-in body stabilization, as well as the lens has built-in stabilization. The lighting might be not as good in this video, but like I said, this is just to kind of like show you guys. Is it giving blurry background vibes? I don't know, I can't really tell. I can't really tell if this is giving blurry background vibes. But this is my camera. Alright guys, so thank you for sticking around with me as I unbox my new camera. This is going to be the end of this video.
Got him.
So I had to come back and vlog with it just a little bit more. I feel like I didn't really do justice. See, that's exactly why I don't like having it. Because every time you say something even close to her name, she just feel like she just needs to talk to you. And I don't like that, because I be feeling like there's a ghost in my house or something. But anyways, I felt like I had to come back and do like a mini vlog with you guys, because I felt like that recording didn't really do justice. Right now I'm recording solely with the Sony. This is just me in my bathroom lighting. I kind of want to show you guys the eye tracking and how that really works. So if you can see right here in the camera, you can see itself, like it's like that bar over my eye. It's like constantly tracking. That's one of the reasons why I wanted to purchase this camera, because I like that feature, and it alternates whichever eye. Whatever eye is exposed is the eye that it's going to track, and that's what keeps you in focus. And once it loses your eye tracking, then it starts to focus like solely on your face. Like right now, right now it's not losing focus on me, so that's why it's not gonna focus on my face solely, because you know it's doing a great job doing what it was bought to do and what it was supposed to do. So now we're gonna shift gears a little bit, and I'm gonna take you guys into my studio room and see how that looks with that studio lighting. So hang tight. All right, so let's take you guys to the other room. So this is how it looks in like low lighting. Like, that's pretty good still. Oh wow, do y'all see that? It shifted, like it's like still adjusting itself. Okay. Now I kind of see what people were saying, where they said that Sony cameras kind of like do like the softing thing. So like I think I kind of see it a little bit, just a little bit, I think. But ooh, look at my lips, pouty lips. But why, Lord? Why? All right, let me stop playing around. How is the stabilization, y'all? Is it pretty good? Cause I'm like literally walking around. The stability looks pretty good, I must say. So this is in my recording setup. I think it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good, if I do say so myself. If I do say so myself. Alright guys, so thank you for watching this video. Right now I'm recording in my studio area where I plan to record majority of my videos. Right now I'm recording solely on the Sony camera. I did an audio test for you guys. I did a stability test for you guys in a vlogging format, I guess. And now I'm doing a stationary video with you guys with the kit lens of the Sony A6600 series. So if you like this video, keep in mind that subscribing to my channel is free, liking this video is free, as well as commenting down below is free. Let me know what other material you would want to see from me. If you want to see any other first impressions, reviews, a tech talk type of thing. I'm not really a tech type person, but you know, I know how to read a label, okay? I know how to read a label. I know how to read instructions and a manual. That's all we need. But either way, thank you guys for watching my video. I'm so excited about being able to produce more content for you guys in better quality. So that's what it's hidden for, and that's what we're gonna do, okay? Keep in mind, in order to succeed, you gotta start. Thank you guys. Bye. Who do I think I am, y'all? Oh my God, girl, I guess I'm a model. Okay, ooh, I'm a model.